Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create floating action button with liquid effect in Figma. So without wasting time, let's see how to create it. So you can see we are inside the Figma project now. So first of all we will drop a frame by pressing F on our keyboard. Something like this. Perfect. By pressing O on our keyboard now, we will drop an ellipse. By holding shift, something like this. Perfect. Now let's change this color to somewhat black. Now by holding option, let's duplicate it. And by holding shift plus option, let's decrease its size to somewhat like this. Now select both and put it inside a group by pressing Command plus G. Now let's go to effect over here. From here go to layer blur, and from here let's give it a layer blur of 20. We are giving the layer blur to the group, not the individual ellipse. Just keep that in mind. Now by pressing R on our keyboard, we will create a rectangle like this. And we will go over here, click on it, and we will select color dodge. Perfect. Now we will create a rectangle again over it, something like this, and we will change this color to black. Now we will go over here and we will select color burn. Perfect. Now you can see one thing. If I go click on this one, see, we are getting the liquid effect. So I want 3 like that. Let's adjust it in this way. Perfect. Whenever you see little bit of, you want to change little bit, you can change it. It's looking good. Now we need icons. So how we can just go to plugins over here, and if you don't have Iconify plugin installed, you can install the Iconify plugin by going over here and search over here by clicking here and search over here Iconify, and you will get this Iconify. Click on it. Now we need icons. First of all, we need cross icons. Let's be the color F9, 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 and let's import as frame. Let's bring it over here. Let's duplicate it because we need 4 icons. Now let's select this one. We need something call. So we can select this one and we can just click on replace. We have to select this one now. Like we need message. We want something like that or something like that. Just click on it and select replace. Now we need a share. Click on it and click on replace. Perfect. Now let's drag and drop it over here. And by holding shift plus option, increase its size and rotate it to 45 degree. Perfect. Now in the similar way, we will bring over here. Perfect. Now let's duplicate this one. Now by selecting this icon, by holding command on your keyboard as I am using Mac, and selecting the ellipse, like it's ellipse 4, you will drag and put it inside this one and turn its opacity to 0 by clicking 0 2 times. I will do the same for this one. Same for this one. Perfect. Now we will select both the frame. Come over here, click on it, and we will select create component set. Perfect. Now we will go to prototype. We will select this icon. And we connect it to this one. Smart Animate is in, and turn it to 800 ms. Now we will select this one, connect it to this one, is out 800 ms. Perfect. Now let's go to assets, click on it, let's drag and drop it over here. Click on it to start the flow starting point for the prototype. And now if we prototype it, you can see the liquid transition is there. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do support me, share with your friends and subscribe this channel. Because if you guys keep supporting me, I will get very motivated for creating much more contents for you guys. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.